Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set reminder on Android. So let's start the video. First, go in Calendar app. Then click on the plus icon. Click again. Then add title. Click on Date option. Here you can change the date and the time. Then click on Does Not Repeat. Here you can change when it would repeat. Then click Add Notification. It will send you notification before your reminder. Then click Save. That's it. Do not forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Like, comment, and share. See you next time. Thanks for watching.